Today I'll be showing you a dahood mobile button script. When you execute the whole entire script from the comments, this should pop up. For some games you must turn on anti-ground shot or you will be banned by detection. You could copy my sets or make your own. These sets are good for low ping. After you turn on everything you want, click on the camlock button and it will show a button on screen to click to lock onto people's. As you can see, it's a button to click and you can move it around to a place you'd like. Here are the clips of the lock now.